Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to check your current Tabby card limit and the proven methods to increase it over time. First, to check your limit, open the Tabby app and go to the Card or Limit section. Your current available limit and total limit are clearly displayed here. Next, Tabby automatically reviews accounts for limit increases. There's no direct Request Increase button, but you can improve your chances significantly. Then, the best way to get a higher limit is by using Tabby responsibly. Make all your payments on time, every time. Late payments will hurt your chances. After that, use your Tabby card regularly across different partner stores. This shows Tabby you're an active, reliable customer. Also, keep your account in good standing for several months. As you build a positive payment history with Tabby, they're more likely to automatically increase your limit. Be patient. Increases typically happen automatically after demonstrating consistent responsible usage over 3 to 6 months. If these tips help you understand Tabby limits, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.